Hi friends, this is Job and welcome to Pro Language. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to get updates of new uploaded videos. This channel is especially created to those who want to learn English, or if you are a foreigner who wants to visit, work, study, or even stay here in the Philippines and you want to learn Cebuano or Tagalog, then this is perfect for you. So stay tuned. At the end of each video, I always ask question, and whosoever gets the correct answer has a chance to win a simple token from me. Yes, that's right, a simple token from me. Okay, so let's get started. So we have here commonly asked phrases, part 1. First phrase in Cebuano, Labad akong ulo. Labad akong ulo. Sa Tagalog, masakit ang ulo ko. Masakit ang ulo ko. In English, my head aches. My head aches. Okay, example. My head aches because I work 24/7. My head aches because I work 24/7. Okay, next phrase. We have Nalipong ko. Sa Cebuano, nalipong ko. Sa Tagalog, nahihilo ako. Nahihilo ako. In English, I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. Example. Jaya feels dizzy when riding a bus. Jaya feels dizzy when riding a bus. Okay, next. Sa Cebuano, nakuyapan siya. Nakuyapan siya. Nakuyapan siya. Sa Tagalog, hinimatay siya. Hinimatay siya. In English, he passed out if it's a boy. She passed out if it's a girl. Okay? Example. While on my way home, an old man passed out. While on my way home, an old man passed out. Okay, next. Sa Cebuano, naglibog ko. Sa Cebuano, naglibog ko. Sa Tagalog, nalilito ako. Nalilito ako. In English, I'm confused. I'm confused. Example. Hazel has been... Okay. Example. Rika was confused what course she should take in college. Okay. Next. Sa Cebuano, laom kaayo ka gihuna-huna. Laom kaayo ka gihuna-huna. Again, laom kaayo ka gihuna-huna. Sa Tagalog, ang lalim ng iniisip mo. Ang lalim ng iniisip mo. In English, you think too much. Or you can also say, you're thinking so deeply or too deeply. Laom means deep. Laom means deep, or in Tagalog, lalim. Okay, example. Hazel has been thinking too much lately about her board examination. Hazel has been thinking too much lately about her board examination. Okay, so that's it. Those are our 5 commonly asked phrases. So, question. From the example sentence in this video, who passed out? Who passed out? Please write your answer down below in the comment section, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and of course hit the notification bell. And thank you so much. I hope you learned something for today's video. Have a good day.